Monarda fistulosa, bee balm. Its cousin or sister is Monarda didyma, and that is the red flower. It's pretty breezy out here today, but that's okay. It's a really hot day, and I just hope that the wind stays out of this video as much as possible. Okie dokie, so this flower was named for a Spanish physician and botanist by the name of Dr. Nicholas Monardis. He lived around the year in late 1400s into the mid 1500s. Now, this is a plant that tends to prefer sunnier locations, and this is an area that gets sun during the day. It is in the mint family, and this plant grows anywhere up to 150 centimeters tall, which is about 5 feet. And these ones are, oh gosh, I guess a little bit short of that. These are just over a meter, which is pushing 4 feet. Now they have really, let's see if I can hold on to this flower. They have tubular, gotta put down the leash because I have my chance with me, who is taking a break, as you can see. They have tubular flowers. They're very beautiful, very unique. And they flower from July until up to September, depending on where you live. These ones are getting to be past their best before date, just about. Now, supposedly, after the Boston Tea Party, this was the go-to plant that people went for. It was either this one or its red sister, Monarda didyma. Both, by the way, are known as bee balm. These plants are highly susceptible to moisture, and it's usually advisable when harvesting these to take the upper part of the plant if you want the leaves as well, because the lower ones in the event that it's been raining or there's a lot of moisture, they're susceptible to mildew, and we certainly don't want that. Leaves grow alternate, opposite. Sorry about that, folks. I'm just keeping my eye on chance at the same time. This is in the mint family, although I think I might have mentioned that. The leaves you can actually eat raw or cooked. You wouldn't want a lot of these because even the leaves are somewhat fragrant. What's really interesting is that if you make a vinegar with organic apple cider vinegar and these flowers, it is not only a really nice vinegar, but apparently it goes well with game. So if you have a salad with deer, this is definitely a vinegar to make if you are into hunting or purchasing game at your local butcher. You can make jellies, syrups with these flowers, and apparently you can add an orange peel to enhance the flavor of the bergamot. The leaves have been reportedly somewhat okay to use as an insect repellent. I don't know. I've not tried that myself. And they also contain a high thymol content, which is an essential oil. And this is also found in the herb thyme. It's good for colds, flu. It's good for expelling gas. It's actually good for skin problems as well. And you can make a wash with this, gargle with it. It's a great mouthwash. Apparently it works well for sore throats also. So there we go. Bee balm. Thank you for watching.